Hi friends, we're going to be doing irregular verbs, and that's found on page 116. Irregular verbs. Okay, let's go over some notes. Irregular verbs. These are special spelling to show the past. Okay, so it's special spelling to show the past. When used with has, have, or had, these words have another spelling. Okay, so when we use the word has, have, or had, we use a different spelling for the verb. Okay, you'll see in a minute here. Okay, so let's do this again. We have the past, present, and then using with has, have, or had. Using with have, has, or had. Okay? All right, so went, go, and you would say either has gone, have gone, or had gone. Does that make sense? So we actually changed the spelling of the word went or go. We've changed it to gone. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Saw, see, or has seen, have seen, or had seen. This is how we change the spelling when we add has, have, or had. Okay, did, do, or has done, have done, or had done. Ran, run, or has run, have run, or had run. Now, run is the same spelling, that's true, but we have to add these words to it, okay? Came, come, and has come, have come, or had come. Okay, so let's go on to our assignment on page 117. Okay, and let's read. It says, write each sentence, choose the correct verb in the parentheses. We're not going to write the sentence, we're just going to write the two verbs that we use. Okay, so for example, my class saw or seen movies of space flights. Okay, so my class saw movies of space flights. The word is saw, okay? All right, number 6. Mrs. Rocket ran the films for us, or Mrs. Rocket had run the films for us. Which one sounds better that's in the past? Let's go back to our notes, okay? We're looking for the word run, and we need to have it with one of these. So, she used the word had, so it's run, okay? Had run. Okay, so for number 6, you're going to write had run. Okay? All right, let's go to number 7. The films had came from Kennedy Space Center, or the films had come from Kennedy Space Center. Okay, let's find the word come. Okay, here's the word come, and they use the word had, and so we use the word come. Had come. Okay, so we're going to write had come. Number 8, Neil Armstrong had went to the moon in 1969, or Neil Armstrong had gone to the moon in 1969. Okay, let's find the word went. Okay, here's the word went. Had gone is right here. We can see the correct spelling. Okay, so Neil Armstrong had gone. It's so good to use your notes because that means you'll get it right every time. Use your notes. Number 9, Edwin E. Eldrin Jr. went with him, or Edward E. Eldrin Jr. gone with him. Okay, so let's see. The way they used it for gone, did they have the word had, have, or has? Let's look. Is the word have, had? Nope, there's no had, have, or has in front of this. So if it's not in front, then we know we have to use, for the past, we have to use the word went. Okay? So we're going to write the word went. Okay? Number 10. Reporters did stories about their trip. Reporters done stories about their trip. Okay, so let's find the word did. Did. And if did they have has, have, or had in front of done? Let's check. It's only reporters. There is not the word had, have, or has. So if it isn't, then we need to write the word did. Okay. All right, so reporters did stories about their trip. Okay, number 11, Dad saw or seen the moon land on TV. Now, is there the word had, has, or have in front of the word saw? No, there isn't. So let's go. So if there isn't the words has, have, or had, we would not use the word seen. We would use only the word saw. Okay. All right, number 12. Michelle has blank, Michelle has saw or seen the moon rocks in a museum. Michelle has. Now there's the key right there. There's the word has. Okay, let's go find, here's saw, has, and we need to change it to seen, has seen. Michelle has seen moon rocks in the museum. Okay. All right, friends, kiss your brain. Make sure you take a picture and put it in Dojo. Thank you. You're doing great. Keep up the good work.